Good afternoon, students. I am Brahmash Raghav. I am your mathematics teacher. Today we will discuss about your syllabus of class 10. There are 15 chapters in your syllabus. So we will complete 5 chapters in first term. First is real number, second is polynomial, third is pair of linear equation and two variables, third is quadratic equation, fifth is arithmetic progression. So first of all, we will complete 4 chapters. Thereafter, we will complete first chapter. First, we start from chapter second and third, fourth, fifth. Thereafter, chapter first. So first of all, we will start from second chapter, that is polynomial. So today we will discuss about polynomial. Chapter second, polynomial. Before starting the chapter polynomial, we will discuss about some terms which is used in polynomial. First term is constant. What is constant? Constant, the symbol which may be a fixed value is known as constant. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. The value of 1 never be changed. 1 will be 1, 2 same. The symbol which may be fixed numerical value, the symbol having fixed numerical value. Is known as constant. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, pi, gravitational constant. The value of pi never be changed. It is equal to pi equal to 22/7 or 3.1. Okay. Next, the term is variable. Variable is the opposite of constant. Second is variable. What is variable? The symbol which may be assigned different numerical values is known as variable. Constant, what is constant? Constant, the symbol having fixed numerical value. The variable, the symbol which may be assigned having different numerical values is known as variable. The symbol which may be assigned having different numerical values is known as variables. For example, circumference of the circle. What is the circumference of the circle? C is equal to 2 pi r, where 2 pi is the constant and C and R are the variables. 2 pi constant, C and R are the variables. In this formula, we can say that the value of 2y never be changed. The value of C will be changed with respect to the value of R. देखते हैं किस तरीके से. First we put the value of R is equal to 2. What will be the value of circumference of the circle? C is equal to 2 pi into, we will put the value of r is equal to 2. So what will be the circumference of the circle? C is equal to 4 pi. In next we will put r is equal to 3. What will be the value of circumference of the circle? C is equal to 2 pi into, we put the value of r is equal to 3. So C is equal to 6 pi. In both cases we can see that when we put the value of r, the circumference of the circle 4 pi. When we put the value of r is equal to 3, the circumference of the circle 6 pi. In both cases the value of circumference different with respect to the value of radius of the circle. जब हम सर्कल की वैल्यूज को जो रेडियस है उनको डिफरेंस पुट करेंगे तो आपकी सर्कमफ्रेंस भी अलग अलग आएगी, बट द वैल्यू ऑफ 2 पाई नेवर बी चेंज. जो 2 पाई की वैल्यू है वो सेम ही रहेगी. जैसे कि 2 पाई या तो 2 into 3.15 रख सकते हैं या 2 into 22.7, ये तो सेम ही रहेगी, बट वैल्यू किसकी चेंज हो रही है? सर्कमफ्रेंस की. और वो किसके रेस्पेक्ट में? r के रेस्पेक्ट में. r की वैल्यू 2 रखेंगे तो सर्कमफ्रेंस की वैल्यू 4 पाई हो जाएगी. r की वैल्यू 3 रखेंगे तो सर्कमफ्रेंस की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? 6 पाई. So now we can say that the variable or symbol which may be assigned having different numerical value is known as variable. Constant क्या था? The symbol having fixed numerical value is known as constant. So in the this equation 2 pi is the constant and c and r are the variables. Now we move on third term. Third is algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is the combination of constant and variables connected with some operations like plus or minus. The combination of constant and variables connected with some operations like plus or minus is known as algebraic expression. For example, fx is equal to any function in variable of x, 2x plus 3x square plus x cube. In this variable we can see that the combination of constant and variable connected with operations like plus or minus, plus sign, plus sign, constant and variables. Variables into 1 we can multiply by 1, so this is constant. So the combination of constant and variable separated by some operation like plus and this plus, so it is known as algebraic expressions. Okay, and second example is fx is equal to 2x minus 5x square plus 3x cube. In this example we can see that the combination of constant and variable, in which the constant is 2 and variable is x, and this term the constant is 5, variable is x square. In this term the constant is 3 and variable is x cube. It is separated by plus or minus signs, plus sign, minus sign, plus sign. Now we can say that the combination of constant and variable connected with some operation like plus minus is known as algebraic expression. I think you can understand. Now we move on for term. Terms. What is terms? The several parts of algebraic expressions separated by some operation like plus or minus is known as terms. The several parts of an algebraic expressions separated by some operations like plus or minus is known as terms. Now, for example, now we take an algebraic expression 3x square plus 2x minus 4x cube. In this expression, we can say that there are three terms: first, second, third. First term, second term, third term. These terms are separated by the some operations like plus, minus. In this expression, there are three terms. The terms is the several parts of an algebraic expression. Several parts like first part, second part, third part. Separated by some operation. Some operation means plus sign, minus sign. Operations like plus or minus sign is known as terms. Sorry, spelling mistake. Terms. This is terms. Okay. Now we move on. Polynomial. Now we will discuss about polynomial. What is polynomial? Polynomial is also a special case of algebraic expression. Like, what is polynomial? Polynomial is the algebraic expression in which the variable involved having non-negative integer power is known as polynomial. Like, we write a algebraic expression 3x square plus 2x plus 1, in which we see that the variable involved is x. This algebraic expression in variable x. The variable is x. The power of variable x is 2. In this term, the power of variable is 1. In this term, the power of variable is 0. Why? B multiply one by x to the power 0. The power of variable is 0. So this is a polynomial. It is a polynomial in variable x. Second, fx is equal to 3x square plus root x plus 1. This is a polynomial or not? In this equation, we can see that the variable involved is x. This equation is x variable. So the power of variable in this term is 2. The power of variable in this term is 1 by 2. Now we can write x root x is equal to x to the power 1 by 2. The power of this the variable is 1 by 2. In this case, the power of variable is 0. So now we can say that the power of this variable is 1 by 2. That is not whole number. So it is not a polynomial. is not a polynomial because the variable involved having the power 1 by 2, which is not whole number or non-negative integers. So now we can say that the polynomial, the algebraic expression in which the variable involved having non-negative integer power is known as polynomial. The algebraic expression in which the variable involved having non-negative integer power or whole number is known as polynomial. Okay, polynomial is complete. Now we move on coefficient. What is coefficient?